Most people buy their callaloo from the store, but today I am harvesting mine from my nice little garden. Yes, guys, this is my little garden and it has become one of my favorite places. And today I am picking fresh callaloo to make breakfast. So, in my little garden, I have my habanero pepper, I have bell peppers, there is sorrel, there is mint. I also have a scallion, and if you can see, it's mostly callaloo because that's what I really want. And in hand, I have my callaloo, which I have just cut from the garden. So I'm about to go in and give these a nice wash so that I can go ahead with the process of cutting up my callaloo. So this is what it looks like when I am all done. So now it is time for me to add my onion and my thyme and all the things that you guys like in your callaloo. We can go ahead and do that. And let me just say that I also added saltfish to this. I actually boiled the saltfish first just to get out some of the salt, and then I added to my callaloo, and here it is in the pot. Can I tell you? This just reminds me of a nice Sunday morning, when you're in Jamaica and your parents prepare the callaloo with maybe some hard-boiled bread. Guys, the smell is amazing in the house, and I can't wait for this to finish so that I can just grab my plate and just start eating. What do you like your callaloo with? Let me know that in the comment section. And here I am frying my green plantains, and voila, breakfast is ready. And guys, this is so delicious. Like, I like callaloo with green plantain. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.